What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and the kind people over at Thinborne was kind enough to send me out their Thinborne case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is a dummy unit though, but let's just open it up like so. If you pre-ordered the S24 Ultra and you ordered one of his cases, then hey, you already got 2 screen protectors. You don't have to worry about going out trying to find another screen, trying to find screen protectors, because you are already covered. So I'm gonna put that right there. Well, just put that over there for now. So this is called Thinborne because it is a thin case. I like the look and feel of this case. You get some, at least you get edges with this case. So we're gonna put it on the S24 Ultra dummy like so. Man, this really does look and feel nice. You know, you get your buttons, easy to access, nice, clicky. You get coverage on the sides. Down here you get your cutouts that you are supposed to have access to. You have them. On this side you get nothing. At the top you get your little microphones, 2 microphones at the top. Of course, like I said, with this case you do want to have a screen protector because it does not have any kind of lip on it at all. On the back here, I do like how every camera has a single design. That really does look nice and cool. And if you place your phone flat down on the back of the table on the cameras, you will have no problem there. It does say Thinborne, has a nice feel to it, look and feel nice. So I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. And I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.